was overthinking every little step that you would ever take. As we grew older, you couldn't stop.
We're going to Sarasota, Florida, and of course I have to make a pack and prep with me for Florida. I leave in 2 days. Right now it's Wednesday. I leave on Friday in the morning. First things first, I need to get my nails done. My nails look crazy. Right now it is July 19th, and the last time I got my nails done was June 29th. So I got them done for the 4th of July, which, don't get me wrong, they're cute, but they're extremely grown out, so I need to get them fixed. I'm thinking I want to do a pink and orange type of airbrush design, so we'll see how that works. I called my nail tech and I asked him if he can do it, and he says he thinks. I only have an hour though, so I'm gonna go now, and hopefully it only takes an hour because I have so much I have to do today. I'm in the middle of packing for like my move for my apartment, and then I had work earlier today, and then I have so many other things I need to get done, and I literally only have like 1 day to do it. And I'm going to see the Barbie movie tomorrow, so I won't have time to do anything then, and then I literally have to wake up at 4 a.m. to go for my 6 o'clock flight. So first things first, let's go get our nails done, and then we have some other things that we have to get done. I just got back from the nail salon. They look so good. They look kind of like the picture, but a little different, but I think they still look really nice and perfect for Florida and sunshine, so I'm really excited. That's what I'm gonna do for this glow up today, and then I'm going to resume it tomorrow because I have so many things I have to do for tomorrow. It is the next day now, and I'm gonna go to the gym. I have work at 9, it's 7 right now, and then I have a doctor's at 8. So I'm gonna go to the gym and just do a quick little workout. I say this in all my videos, but obviously this is not one of the necessary things that I need to do to prep for a trip, but it just makes me feel better, and knowing that I'm not going to be able to work out necessarily when I'm there because I don't have a gym and stuff, just going to Orange Theory before my flight really does help. I also just checked into my flight. I had to pay for checking bags because it literally wouldn't let me check into the flight, and I didn't have seat numbers, so I literally didn't have a choice. So me and Chad were flying basic economy, but I guess now we're not because it wouldn't let me check in, so I just upgraded. So our flight is at 6 a.m. I think like 6:15 we leave, and we land at 9:18 tomorrow. We board at 5:55, so I don't know what time we're leaving, but we're gonna leave really early obviously. So I'm gonna go to the gym right now and just get a good little workout in before I have to go to my doctor and to work. I hope today's workout is not that hard because I'm honestly feeling very hungry and not in the mood to work out, but we're gonna do it anyway because after we will feel very good. The gym is literally 5 minutes from Chad's house, and I've been sitting in this traffic for literally 25 minutes, so hopefully I'm not late to my gym class or I'm gonna be really upset. Back from the gym, and I have a really exciting haul for you guys. So this portion of the video is actually sponsored by Cupshe. Cupshe is one of my favorite bikini brands. I love their bathing suits. They have cover-ups, clothing, and bikinis, and it's just a really nice quality brand that I've been working with for a long time. I do have a discount code for you guys. If you guys use Samantha15 at checkout with orders of $65 or more, you will get 15% off, and I have so many cute pieces that I'm going to be bringing on this vacation that I wanted to share with you guys. So with all that being said, let's get into the pieces I got, and thank you again to Cupshe for sponsoring this portion of the video. The first thing I got is this beautiful cover up. So it looks like this, and I thought this would be perfect for Florida. I will have little clips of me trying on all the items as well. For reference, I'm 5'1", and I got this in a size small, and it fits really nice, and I love the pattern. I feel like the pattern on it is so beachy and so summery, and when I saw the colors, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get this for my vacation. Going along with that, I also have another cover up. I did get a lot of cover ups because I'm obsessed with cover-ups recently. I decided to get this one in a size medium just so it would be a bit oversized. So it's this like see-through material, and then also there's flowers on the side. The flowers actually like sold me. I was obsessed with these flowers. When I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I need that. The quality of this is so good and so soft, and it is a little dress for the beach that I would wear a bathing suit under. So I'm really excited for this one as well. Literally bringing all of these to Florida. Next thing, I got a little bikini. So I got this high-waisted blue one because personally I like high-waisted a little better, so I got this one right here. I do get bikinis in size larges. I like when everything's a little more covered on myself. It just honestly is what makes me more comfortable. So I got this really pretty blue color, and then the thing that I really liked is the top. Look at how pretty this top is. So it's the blue color, and then it has this little band on the bottom, which I was obsessed with. I thought it was so pretty. It has like blue and purple, and again, this is in a large. I really like this one, and it fits pretty well, so I'm excited, and the quality is so good. Then I got another bathing suit as well. So for this bathing suit, this one is again in a size large, and again, I loved the pattern. So these are the little bottoms. I think they are so cute, and the pattern just screamed summer to me. This band actually matches the blue top as well, so that was another plus because I could wear them together if I wanted to. But it does come with a little matching top as well, and I love the top. I think it's so cute, and I'm really excited to wear it. Again, this is in a large, and it's very supportive, and I love it. With that, I also got another cover up, surprise, surprise. So I got this little dress right here. I loved the colors. You guys will see better on the try on haul, but look at how pretty these colors are, and I love the little design on the straps. I think that is so cute, so I'm very excited for this one. The last thing I got is a cover up, but it's like a skirt and it wraps, so I don't really know how to show you guys on the camera, but I'll try it on for you. So it's this little skirt, and it ties on the side, and it has a little slit in the leg. I got this in a size medium. It fits perfectly. When I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. The only thing I would say is this one and this one are see-through. Obviously this one's see-through, but this one is see-through because it is more of a cover-up made material, but I really love it, and it's perfect for the beach if you wear like a bathing suit under it or something like that. With all that being said, that's all the pieces I got from Cupshe. I'm obsessed with everything, and I'm bringing all of these on my vacation to Florida. Again, you could use my code at checkout, Samantha15, for 15% off your order on $65 spent or more. Thank you again to Cupshe for sponsoring this portion of the video, and let's get back into our regular scheduled content. So now that I have all these pieces that I want to bring, I do need to start packing, but before I do that, I need to take an everything shower. Obviously, I just got back from the gym, and although my hair may look good, it is very sweaty, and I just feel gross. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm going to shave, exfoliate, and I might self-tan. I'm not sure if I'm going to, just because I got one of these lotions, and I didn't realize that it actually has coconut in it, and I am allergic to coconut, so if I don't have time to go get another one, then I'm not going to, but I'm going to exfoliate just in case I do find one that doesn't have coconut. Now that I took a shower and exfoliated and shaved and did like my everything type of shower, I am going to start packing. So in my Cancun vlog, if you didn't watch that, I talked about how I just got this little backpack. This is my travel backpack. I love it so much. There's so many compartments. I'm not going to do a whole tour of the whole thing again just because it'll be repetitive, but if you want to see it, I'll link that video down below and you guys could go watch it there. But there's literally so many pockets. I literally love it. I am only going for 3 days, literally just Friday to Monday morning, so technically 4, but I'll be home at like 9 a.m. on Monday. So I'm just gonna put everything in here. The good thing about this is that it's really good for storage. So I have this little packing cube that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to put all my clothes in here and then put it into the big pocket. So first thing we are going to do is just kind of situate this. Some of the things that I'm bringing are mini deodorant, my face gel that I put on my face for my acne. I am gonna have to go to the store though because I don't have all of the mini travel products that I need, but I do have some of them, so progress. I have this, I have a hairbrush, toothbrush, which is good, and then just some Benadryl because I do have allergies. So I like to keep all of my little toiletries in this pocket right here just because when I have to take them out, it's a lot easier. So I'm just going to put all of that in here. I think that that's like a good way to do it. I also have this little camera that I want to bring. I've been really into taking film photos, so I like to bring this everywhere. Hopefully they turn out good, but we'll see. And then I got my friend some bracelets, and I'm going to Madison's house. I made a vlog there last year, and these are for her, so I'm bringing these. So that is good for that pocket. I need to go to the store and get some like shampoo and makeup wipes and my face soap, but other than that, we're good. And then I have this little pocket down here. Oh my gosh, this shell is from Cancun. Isn't it so pretty? Chad found it in the ocean. This is the next pocket right here, and I'm just going to leave everything in here. I have this little claw clip for the beach, which I like to bring with me. And then I have these anklets, which is also for my friends, so I'm leaving that in there so I don't lose it. Then I like to take an extra hair tie and then just 2 little hair clips. These are from Princess Polly. I think they're so cute, so I'm gonna bring those, and I keep that just in the front little pouch with my wallet. Also on my bag, I have this little hand sanitizer because I love having hand sanitizer, especially in the airport. But other than that, then I just have this huge section for packing, and I have a lot of clothes in here. They're all clean, but they're from my trip, and I just never unpacked them, which is kind of bad on my part. But I'm going to take these all out and then sort through what I want to bring, what I don't want to bring, and then put all the clothes that I want to bring in here, just because I think that's the best way to do it. But other than that, that's really it. And then I just have a little compartment for my computer, which is really nice because it's waterproof, so if it rains, you don't have to worry about like your computer headphones getting ruined. And then I'm just going to bring these little Apple headphones as well, which I have to charge, but I'm gonna leave them in here for now so I don't forget them. I'm gonna sort through these clothes and just like speed this up for you guys.
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound.
My bag is literally stuffed to the brim, but I have everything in there except my work computer and my laptop and my camera. So that's good. I just have to get soap from the store and that's literally it. Hopefully it fits in there. If not, I'll throw it in Chad's bag. And then I have my airport fit right here. So I just have this little sports bra, some sweatpants. I'm gonna wear a t-shirt and then a sweatshirt for the plane. We're gonna ignore the fact that I'm literally wearing sweatpants and a sweatshirt in 86-degree weather because I threw a load of wash in and literally all my short sleeve shirts are in the wash. But I just went to Target. I got my Dove Sensitive Skin soap, and I always like to take 2 just in case because this is literally the only soap I will use on my face, other than one other one, but it's really expensive and I'm not buying that just for vacation. So I always like to get 2, one for my body, one for my face, just in case. And then if I don't use it, I'll use it when I get home. Then I got some shampoo, trying not to use any Pantene anymore, so I'm gonna try out this one. These are just the travel size ones. And then I am going to the Barbie movie tonight, and I ordered something on Amazon. It's not coming until August, so I got this. My friend told me they had it at Target, so I think I'm just gonna crop it, but it says Sunday Fun Day and then it says Barbie and there's a little picture. So I really like it, and I'll just like crop it or something and probably wear these sweatpants. These are just from Victoria's Secret, but this is good that I got everything I needed. I literally just needed shampoo and face wash because I had everything from when I went to Cancun. That is all I need to do for right now. I did look and see if they had tanning oil, and they don't. All the tanning oil they have has coconut in it, so it just wasn't worth it. So I'm just going to tan naturally when I get to Florida. Packed everything, so honestly all I need to do now is just pack my last minute things for tomorrow before we leave. I figured out we're leaving at 3 a.m. My boyfriend's mom is going to take us, and then my mom is going to pick us up when we come home on Monday, so that all worked out really good. I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm at the airport. Just woke up. It's 3 a.m. Just did quick little makeup and just threw on some white fox sweatpants, and we are going to the airport now. I'm very tired and my bag is so heavy, but we're just gonna hope for the best. So far our plane is on time, which is really good because it's supposed to rain. Hopefully it stays on time, but let's go to the airport.
If we could run it.
Welcome to board flight 1250.
We got delayed, but we're boarding now. The weather's pretty bad, so kind of nervous.
If we could run it back and do you wonder? If we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back.